Hello everyone. Today I wanted to introduce our automatic double head and end with heat shrink tubing machine for you.
It can produce 2,000 items each hour. Let's see our sample. This way, please. These modules for heat shrink tubing and tube baking. Look, the heat shrink tubing is tightly now. We can make two different terminals. Well, let us show you the process steps. First of all, there's a wire rack. It can help us to tidy those mess wires. We can see a wire feeding wheel here. First step is stripping wire and cut it. And this module is for crimping terminals. What's the function of this gripper? The function of gripper is testing the terminals and wires. What about this one? It is according to our customers' requires. And they don't need to bake the heat shrink tubing, so that we don't use it now. It can make heat shrink tubing for two terminals, but they don't need it now, and they order a module for the process in the future. Okay, second step is stripping and cutting it. This is the strip knife. How long we need the heat shrink tubing now? This is 15 毫米. Okay, it's 15毫米. Let's check the process of heat shrink tubing. It needs to crimp the terminal. It's already slide the tube onto the wire but not baking. And we have a gripper to secure the tubing. It is crimping the terminal now. We can slide the tube onto the wire by this gripper. Good, the last step is baking tube. We can see a baking tube for baking heat shrink tubing. The tubing is heated evenly in this baking tube and take less time. That's the point of improving the machine effect. Okay, that's the final item. We can see the tubing is tightly secured to the wire. Okay, let us show you some digital of this machine. Look, this is our hint level touch screen. We have Chinese English operation system. Is it easy to use? Yes. You can set those digital on this touch screen. It's very easy to control this machine. Yeah. Do they need to set other modules by themselves? Nope, nothing need to set anymore after the modules and the terminals are ready. It is very nice to green hand. Yep. Okay, let's see our crimping terminal machine. There is a crimping terminal machine made of cast iron. What is the pressure of this machine? 2 tons. Why do we make it of cast iron? Because cast iron can make the machine more sturdy and durable, not easy to break. More better effect on pressure. This is an integrated molding and cast iron terminal machine. Its module brand is OTP. Just put the module on it and the terminal can be changed. It is very convenient. What is length run of heat shrink tubing? What type of wire can be machining? A WG1224. Maybe AUG30 is too thin. We will according to our customers' requires. And a WG1224 is generally. We also have custom made for some special requires. At the same time, it's a very high precision machine. How many servo motors does it have? Let's check our electric box. It has a 400W servo motor of Mitsubishi Electric and 14 stepper motors of wechat. Wechat is a Chinese brand. This is our independent research and development main control system. We can promise 3 years guarantee. We can give this promise because of we use the import chip. Do you see these cylinder grippers? Is that Antec logo from Taiwan? Yes. All of these wire rods and tracks are from Highwind. And the bearing is bronze. Yes. Because we have so many good quality configurations which keep the machine run stably. Yes. As we can see, this is a large machine. How thick is the steel plate? 13 mm. That is enough. The machine works stably. Let's take a look at the back. How many watts of this machine? 3000 wattage. The tubing wall thickness can affect the speed of machine working. The tubing wall more thick takes more time. It can test the tubing. It will stop working when it tests any tubing. And warning. There is an alarm lamp which has 3 colors. Look, we have a wire rack here. Usually this machine has a single axis. Why we need the wire rack? Because we have a system for sliding the tube onto the wire at first step. The wire can keep straight when we put this rack back. The system can ensure that wire always straight. There's a test for the wire. The machine will stop working when test any wire. It will give an alarm. If the wire gets messed, it will warn you too. That's very humanization. This machine can test the situation of terminal, tubing and wire. It will give an alarm when something is unusual. It will warning when someone does the wrong action. Let us check the back box. There is a plastic keg. Can we cut the length of wire which we need? Yes. I am very confused. Why we have DC power supply variable on both two sides? DC power supply variable is used to regulate the temperature of baking tube. Higher temperature can heat the tube more quickly. Can it affect the whole progress of machine? What is the temperature for the tubing? Perhaps 145 degree. What's the air pressure machine used for? This is a gas tank. You can see many grippers on the table. If we don't use gas tank, that maybe the air pressure will under normal level. We need this gas tank to ensure those grippers can stay warm. What about this bag? The bag is for collecting the trash and keep the bag box clean. We can see many fans in the back box. Every motor is facing a fan. Because of the weather in Guangdong is very hot. Yet, we have to consider that hot operation in a long-time machine working. Those fans can increase the service life of the machine. How much pressure does it need? Is this a pressure valve? Is this a pressure valve? Yes, it is for testing the pressure. It will alarm when pressure under normal level and stop working. We have been to the business many years. Yes. We already have mature machine. Thank you.